friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. Today is 23rd June 2021 and as you might have guessed from the title that today is my birthday, my 22nd birthday. So this is going to be my birthday vlog and I will be showing you all where I am going today. Basically we are going for a birthday dinner with my parents, my mom and dad, and I will be showing you that part, and also I will be showing you a part from midnight where I opened so many gifts that I got from my best friends, and also would be opening my grand gift that I got from my parents, and will be showing you all in this video. So let's dive into this video without wasting any time.
हैप्पी बर्थडे करण हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा हैप्पी बर्थडे
Thank you. guys, I'm back after having a birthday dinner with my parents, and we really enjoyed. We had a Indian dinner, basically Mughlai dishes at, near Pandara Road in Delhi, and we really enjoyed our food. And this birthday was so special. So now I would like to show you all the gifts that I got. So firstly, I'm showing you the gifts that I've got from my friends, my best friends. So these are some amazing t-shirts that my friends gave me. So as you guys might know that I'm a big Marvel fan, so here is one Marvel t-shirt. This is a full sleeve t-shirt for me, and there's one more t-shirt here. This is as you written here as Stark Industries logo that of Tony Stark's company from Marvel movies. And these both t-shirts are amazing. I love this t-shirt. I will like to thank my friends for giving me these amazing gifts. And one more thing they have given me, and this is the insane thing that Cosmo 7.1 gaming headphones. This is a gaming headset that I will use with my gaming sessions, and this is so cool. I mean, you can literally see there is RGB colors on the side of it. A microphone is there. Let me show it to you all. So this is so insane. I mean, look at this. This is the wired one, so that there is no latency, and this attaches with the system with the normal USB port like this. And this is so insane. I'm really happy. I would like to thank my friends, basically Vishu, Anirudh, Apurva, Sarthak, and Archit. They have given me this amazing gift. These friends are like family to me, so I feel very special. And part of the video you also saw that my friend Vishu, who lives in the society, came here to deliver me, and I unboxed this in front of him during a video call. So I really like to thank my friends for this and to making my birthday so special. And finally, as you guys might be waiting it for the main gift that I've got from my parents, and it's here. This is the DJI Osmo Action camera. Basically, it's like a GoPro, but it's an alternative to GoPro, and a cheaper alternative because I didn't want it to spend so much money on that. But here you can see. This is the DJI Osmo Action, and this approximately retails in India for approximately 20,000 or so. So I bought this one. I really, from long time, I wanted an action camera for myself and for my YouTube channel. So let me open this for you guys. Wait. So this is the packaging. I'm really liking the packaging here. I'm going to be doing is a review on the channel as well. This is only going to be my unboxing here. So it's open, and here it is. I mean, this is, oh my god, this looks. This is the first time I'm seeing an action camera for myself. I've never used a GoPro in my life before, and oh my god, that looks so great. Actually, look, it's so small. Oh my god, this is insane. Actually, I really like this. Thank you to my mom and dad for giving me this gift. It's really special to me. I will be using this for in my future videos, and hopefully it's a quality upgrade for me. Right now I'm using this from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus from a smartphone, but in some areas I cannot use my smartphone for shooting, like in my car and other places. So hopefully this equipment is an upgrade for me. Let me show you what other things we get. I suppose there will be a battery and a charger with this. So here it is. Let me show it to you. And opening this also. So there is a mount. I think this is for a car mount. This is a car mount for a solid surface. This is a mount which can be attached here like this. Okay. And what's other thing? Another mount. This is for like a curved surface. This is basically like for a flat surface, I think. So two mounts are there. This is for it contains the charging for charging the battery itself, and a tool to open this. And this is, I think, there's a battery inside this. So this is the battery of the device. This is that goes inside here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think no, maybe. And there is a booklet, obviously, for instructions and all. So I'm really happy with this actually. So yeah, this birthday was very special to me. My parents and my friends made this birthday so special. I cannot express that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my content. Sorry I've been late with my video schedules lately because a month ago I also everyone in my house contracted COVID, and it took time for me and my family also to recover from that. And yeah, hopefully the content will the schedule will be much more frequent than before. And yeah, please stay safe, guys, get vaccinated, and yeah, once again, see you in a future video. Thank you.